Hi everyone, happy Thursday and happy last official day of school. I want to thank all of you who participated in our 8th grade Zoom graduation. It was so awesome seeing so many new faces on there today. I was so excited. We got most of our 8th graders. We were only missing one. We missed Miss Sadie Ray, but we at least got to celebrate with Devon, CJ, and Haley. So that was really exciting. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Today we're going to, it's going to be a shorter morning meeting just because in place of a social story, I'm going to post a video of a really cute book called The Night Before Father's Day. And I know it's not Father's Day yet, but I wanted to kind of do something around Father's Day so that we can at least somewhat talk about it and you can be thinking of maybe things to do for Father's Day for when it happens on the 21st. So we're just going to do our calendar and then our weather, and then that'll be it. And then I will just post the video of the read along to The Night Before Father's Day. It's a really cute short book, like about a 5-minute clip. So I would encourage you to listen to it because it is really cute, but obviously it is your choice whether you would like to listen to it or not. But let's go ahead and get started by logging on to starfall.com. And once you are on Starfall, go ahead and make your way to our calendar. And once you see that big play button in the center, go ahead and press play.
Yippee!
It's June 2020.
Let's make a calendar.
All right, so once that green sparkly arrow in the bottom right corner appears, go ahead and press that arrow. We'll do the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so
What day of the week is it today?
what day of the week is it today? And it is highlighted in gold up at the top for you. It is Thursday.
Great job!
Today is Thursday, June 4th, 2020. All right, and then go ahead and press that green arrow in the bottom right corner once you have that day clicked. And then now we can
Fill in the missing day and date.
fill in the missing day and date. So we just talked about how it's Thursday. So go ahead and drag Thursday over to that empty green rectangle.
Thursday.
And then yesterday was the 3rd, so that means today is the 4th. So let's go ahead and drag the 4 over to that empty green square.
Great
And
job!
once you have those filled in, go ahead and click that green arrow in the bottom right corner. Now we can
Mark any special days this month.
mark any special days this month. Okay, so our first official holiday is summer solstice, or the first day of summer. And we watched a little video that explains more about what summer solstice is yesterday during the social story portion of our morning meetings. So if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check it out. But we're going to go ahead and add a smiley face to Saturday, June 20th, 2020, because it will be the first day of summer, or the summer solstice. And then the next day, so Sunday, June 21st, 2020, will be Father's Day. And like I said, we're going to be reading a little story called The Night Before Father's Day. And in the book, it includes some really nice things that you can do for those father-like figures in your life for Father's Day. So let's go ahead and add a smiley face to Sunday, June 21st, 2020, because that will be Father's Day. Okay, and then we can add some stars to tomorrow, so Friday, June 5th, 2020, because it will be our 8th grade celebration at Chico Junior. So let's go ahead and mark that. And then starting on Monday, those of us who are doing summer school will be starting on Monday, June 8th, 2020, and it will be going all the way until Friday, June 26th, 2020. So it's 3 weeks long, and it's going to be in the distance learning format that we've been in. But let's go ahead and mark all the days of summer school. So we can do Monday the 8th, Tuesday the 9th, Wednesday the 10th, Thursday the 11th, Friday the 12th, Monday the 15th, Tuesday the 16th, Wednesday the 17th, Thursday the 18th, Friday the 19th, Monday the 22nd, Tuesday the 23rd, Wednesday the 24th, Thursday the 25th, and the last day is Friday the 26th. All right, and then we have 2 birthdays this month. So January, February, March, April, May, June. And we have a birthday actually today. So it is Amy's birthday today. So let's go ahead and add a slice of birthday cake to Thursday, June 4th, 2020, because today is Amy's birthday. And remember, Amy is that really nice lady. She's the tall, blonde, curly-haired lady who probably helped you with your work or went to PE with you or sat with you at lunch. But I will have to shoot her a text and say happy birthday because we miss her. All right, and then we have a classmate's birthday this month, and it's Irvin. So Irvin's birthday will be the 29th of this month. So let's go ahead and add a slice of birthday cake to Monday the 29th, 2020, because it will be Irvin's 12th birthday, so that'll be exciting. And then Adam asked me to include baby Alexander, except he's not a baby anymore, he's a toddler, his birthday. So Adam's little brother Alexander is going to be 4 years old this month, and I believe his birthday is on Wednesday the 24th, 2020. So let's go ahead and add a slice of birthday cake to Wednesday, June 24th. All right, so these are all the special days I'm going to mark this month, but you can continue to mark whatever days you would like. And once you have those marked, let's go ahead and click that green arrow in the bottom right corner. And now we can
Choose a picture for your calendar.
choose a picture for our calendar. So since we're going to be talking or reading a book about Father's Day, I'm going to pick that Father's Day picture that's available. All right. And then once you have your picture chosen, go ahead and press that green arrow in the bottom right corner. And hooray! So we finished calendar. So let's go ahead now and transition to checking out what our weather is going to look like today. So we can type in Chico weather. And then remember, we only look at this first bit of information. And I went ahead and made that blue box around temperature right here. So we're going to check out our temperature for the day. And while we're here, let's go ahead and add that blue box right here at the bottom around Thursday. So we have our blue box, and then THU, which is short for Thursday, the type of weather we're supposed to have today, which we are familiar with, this picture. It's the picture of the sun that is partly covered by some clouds. And then I see 2 temperatures. I see 100 degrees and 67 degrees. So if you have your blue box around Thursday, imagine this is a blue box, THU, which is short for Thursday, the type of weather we're supposed to have. And then one of these will be our highest expected temperature, and the other will be our lowest expected temperature. So my question for you is, will 100 degrees or 67 degrees be our highest expected temperature today? So if you said 100, you're correct. So let's see where that falls. And it's easy to find because it's marked for us right here. So it will be very hot today. And if you have not been outside already, get ready because it is really hot. Okay, so if 100 degrees is our highest expected temperature, that means that 67 degrees is our lowest expected temperature. So let's see where that falls. And to find 67, we can go to 65, that's marked for us, and then add 2 more because 65 plus 2 is 67. So 66, 67. So tonight we will be in that cool temperature range. Okay, so my next question is, what type of weather are we supposed to have today if this is our weather picture? And if you said partly cloudy, you're correct. So it will be partly cloudy today. I don't see any clouds in the sky right now. However, that doesn't mean there won't be clouds later on. Okay, so let's go ahead now and check out what our chances of precipitation are today. So let's make a blue rectangle around precipitation right here. And then you'll see our blue line. And what do we notice about our blue line? Yeah, it's straight across or stable, right? So that usually tells us we won't have any precipitation today. However, we're going to double check right here where it says precipitation, humidity, and wind. And we're going to look at what percentage is after the word precipitation. So precipitation is how you spell precipitation. And then 0%. So there is no chance of rain today. So, and that makes sense because I don't see any clouds in the sky right now. All right, so now let's check out if we're going to get any relief from this heat from wind. So let's go ahead and make a blue rectangle around wind right here. And you'll know you're there once you see our arrows with the different wind speeds. And then to find our average wind speed, we're going to go right here, precipitation, humidity, and wind. And after wind, there is a speed. So that will be our average wind speed. So WIND is how you spell wind, and then 10 mph, or our average wind speed today will be 10 miles per hour. So that will be a lighter breeze. However, we will still feel it somewhat. I see the leaves are kind of dancing outside right now, so hopefully that will be a nice little tiny break from the heat, but unfortunately not too much because it's not that high of a wind speed. Okay, so let's go ahead now and look at what our weather is supposed to be like tomorrow for Friday. So let's make that blue box around Friday down here. And I'll draw it out for you as usual. So we have our blue box, and then FRI, which is short for Friday. The type of weather we're supposed to have tomorrow, which is the same symbol as today's weather. It's the picture of the sun with some clouds. And then I see two temperatures. I see 89 degrees and 60 degrees. So if we have our blue boxer on Friday, and then FRI, which is short for Friday, the type of weather we're supposed to have, and then one of these will be our highest expected temperature and the other will be our lowest. So which of these will be our highest expected temperature for tomorrow? 89 or 60 degrees? So if you said 89, that's correct. So we can find 89 easily by going to 90, which is marked for us, and then subtracting 1, because 90 minus 1 is 89. So we're just going to go down 1. And we are in that warm temperature range. So it will be warm tomorrow, not as hot as today, but it'll still feel pretty warm. All right. And then that means that 60 degrees is our lowest expected temperature for tomorrow. So we can find that easily since it's marked for us right here. So it will be cooler tomorrow night. So that'll be nice. It'll give us a nice little break from the heat during the day. And then what type of weather are we supposed to have if this is our weather symbol for tomorrow? Yeah, it's the same as today's, so partly cloudy. So now that we have found out information about today's weather, so Thursday's weather, and then tomorrow's weather, Friday's weather, let's write it as if we were in the classroom. So today is a high of 100 degrees and partly cloudy. Tomorrow is a high of 89 degrees and also partly cloudy. So here we are. Today, the high of 100 and partly cloudy. And then tomorrow, a high of 89 and also partly cloudy. So there we are. So thankfully tomorrow we'll get a tiny bit of a break from the heat, but not too much of a break. Okay, so this is actually the end of our last morning meeting. I didn't realize that tomorrow was not a student day, so this is the last day that I'm gonna be doing these recordings. But I just want to thank all of you who have been watching these and have been participating on our Google Classrooms, and those of us who have participated in our Zoom chats. It really means the world to me because I really miss you all, and I really love keeping in contact. So, as I told most of the students who were on the 8th grade Zoom celebration this morning, please keep in contact with me over the summer. I would love to Zoom with you. So anytime you want to Zoom, just send me an email, text me, whatever way you want to get a hold of me, and let me know that you want to Zoom, and I would love to Zoom with you. So with that being said, I hope that you all have a wonderful summer. It has been so awesome being your teacher this past semester. I know that we all miss Miss Ashley, but hopefully you feel like you have gotten closer to me, just like I feel I've gotten close with all of you. And I really love all of you and miss all of you, and cannot wait to actually see you in person, hopefully soon. But stay safe this summer. Make sure you drink lots of water, wear your sunscreen, stay in the shade, listen to your parents and adults, be respectful, remember all those skills that we've been working on, all those really important things that will help keep you safe and healthy and happy. And just please, again, keep in touch, because I would love to hear from you. Send me pictures, do whatever way you want to keep in touch, just keep in touch. And thank you for letting me be your teacher this past semester. It's been, like I said, it's been amazing, and it's been really awesome working with all of you, and I love you all. Have a wonderful summer, and I will see some of you tomorrow for the 8th grade graduation, but those of you who I will not see, you are missed dearly, and I look forward to visiting with you when we can be face to face again. But yeah, this is the end. So again, I love and miss you all, and just take care of yourselves, okay, and stay safe. All right, have a great summer.